Pilipinas ang Austria. Kaya naman naging makabuluhan ang paglulunsad ng lecture ni Dr. Ambeth Ocampo sa mga Pinoy at mga Austrian. May report si Hector Pascua.
Tampok sa pagtalakay ng historian na si Dr. Ambeth Ocampo ang tradisyonal na pananaw ng mga Pinoy sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Pinaliwanag din niya kung bakit maraming butas ang mga tala ng kasaysayan ng Pilipinas.
One of the reasons I think that the Philippines is in such a bad state today is simply because we do not know our history. So the history textbooks are usually wrong, written by non-historians. And the biggest problem of all is a Filipino historian does not have the sources to write a complete history of the Philippines in Manila.
Paliwanag ni Ocampo, ang karamihan daw ng mga pinagmulan ng Philippine history ay sa ibang bansa. May natuklasan pa nga siyang mahalagang bahaging kasaysayan dito mismo sa Vienna.
The National Library of Vienna showed us a handwritten Tagalog dictionary, 18th century, it's probably earlier than 1749. So our past is actually lying in bodegas.
Humanga naman ang mga dumalo sa lecture ni Ocampo.
The presentation was very lively, and also I learned some insights that would somehow lead me more to love more the country.
Very interesting yung seminar ni Ambeth Ocampo dahil nga kumbaga nilinaw niya yung mga aspects, yung mga kung ano talaga ang napipicture natin kay Bonifacio at kay Rizal.
I think it was very interesting to bring the people to think about, rethink about the history and not only from the view of the European history.
Nagpasalamat din si Ambassador Linglingay Lacanlale sa pagpapaunlak ni Ocampo na magbigay ng kanyang kaalaman sa mga Pinoy sa Austria.
Sometimes we look at history as, we don't get too interested in history because of the way it's presented. But if it's presented, as the President says, in an approachable manner, you appreciate it more. You seem to live history with the way that our lecturer delivered his stories.
Kabilang sa mga prominenteng Austriano na dumalo sa lecture ay sina Dr. Gisela Reiterer, isang political scientist at senior lecturer sa University of Vienna, Professor Alfred Rada at Dr. Johann Stockinger. Para sa Balitang Europe, Hector Pascua, Vienna, Austria.